Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and help me hit 1k. And for today's video, I will be showing you how to apply a color corrector. So yeah, if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So basically, this product retails for rupees 325 and there is always a discount going on. So you will never get it on MRP. You will always come across some discount. So yeah, that is a plus point. This product has a lifespan of 2 years. So basically this was manufactured on 2019 and will expire on 2021. So I just have 5 months for this product to get over and I still have a lot of product left. This product has all the 3 things in it. It has color corrector, it has concealer, and also it has contour. So I really like this product. It is quite handy. So the product looks something like this from inside. There is a concealer, contour and a color corrector. Basically this is how the product looks. I'll be using this using my hands because I feel you get more pigment when you use it with hands, and you get it evenly distributed. So yeah, I will be using this, and yeah, let's get started. First, it's very necessary for us to moisturize our face properly. I'll be using this Pond's Super Light Gel, which is my one and only favorite product. I am in love with this product. I just love it. It moisturizes my skin so well and I absolutely love this. For today's primer, I'll be using this Stay Quirky Primer Base Oil. Make sure you concentrate it on your T-zone because this is where you need to hide your pores and fill it up. So the next step is color correcting, and for today's color correcting I'll be using this NY Bay palette. I applied here because I have hyperpigmentation. You can apply it wherever you think you want to apply. You can also use concealer brush to apply it, also your hands. Also you can just apply it using a normal brush and blend it using a blender. So I just apply it using my hands to get more pigment. You don't want to take a very much of amount because you don't want to look like Hanuman, obviously. Now I'll be taking a damp sponge and blend all the color corrector. I'm taking a damp sponge and you don't need to apply much pressure, you just need to know that it just gets in. You want to go in a dabbing motion and not rubbing motions because you don't want your color corrector to move and displace from the particular place. So just go in a dabbing motion. Now after you have blended all the color corrector properly, next step would be applying concealer. And for today's concealer, I'll be using the same palette to show you how good the palette is. You can use any concealer. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to use the same concealer. But yeah, after you put a color corrector, it is very important for you to apply a concealer just to even out the skin tone. I've applied a concealer and now I'll be taking the same beauty sponge and blend it. Again, make sure you go in a dabbing motion. So yeah, we're done with concealer as well. Now talking about color corrector, it is not at all necessary for you to use a crayon product or a wax product, but also you can go for liquid color correctors. There are many in the market. The next step would be applying foundation, and for today's foundation, my one and only Sugar Foundation. I love this product, and yeah, I'll just use it. I just applied some lipstick because I was looking like a ghost. So basically, after you apply a foundation, the next step would be setting it all using a setting powder or a compact powder. And for today's compact powder, I'll be using this Maybelline compact powder in the shade 03 Natural. So guys, this is how our base looks after all the steps. I found it literally very nice. It looks very good and it looks absolutely flawless. I totally love it, the way it turned out. You can see there's no redness on my face. The people would never understand that I had color corrected because there is no signs of color correcting. So yeah, that was all about this video, and if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And yeah, till then, stay safe, stay tuned, bye.